Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach how to draw Bibilante from Brawl Stars. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw her headband with an arch curve line across. Right there. Turn it downwards on both the left and right corner. For the lower line of the headband, I'm going to draw a curved line across from the left all the way to the right corner. Below the headband on the left side, I'm going to draw her hair at the side with curved line downwards. Turn it inwards to the right. Sharp turn sideways to the left. Turn it downwards and slightly to the right. Sharp turn back upwards with curved line on the left side of her head. Curved line upwards at the side of her head. Turn it sideways to the left. Sharp turn diagonally up and to the right. Curved line upwards at that ending point. Semicircle turn to the right at the top of her head. On the right side of her head, I'm gonna copy the same shape. And above the level of her headband, I'm gonna flare it out with a curved line to the right. Turn it diagonally in to the left and upwards to the center of her head. Sharp turn downwards at that corner. Below that ending point, slightly to the left. Diagonal curved line across to the right and downwards. Semicircle turn downwards and turn it slightly to the left. And from the same point above, sharp turn downwards with curved line. Slightly turn it to the left. In between the two pieces of hair at the side of her face, I'm gonna take a point on the right and draw a line across to the middle point of her face right there. Turn it downwards with curved line and slightly to the left. Sharp turn upwards on the right corner with another curved line. And at that ending point, turn it sideways to the left and slightly upwards. From that same point, I'm going to draw a line across to the right. Turn it diagonally down to the left, sideways to the left. On the left side of that whole thing, I'm going to draw the lower part of her mask on the left with curved line across, diagonally to the left and slightly upwards. Above that line on the left side of her chin, I'm going to draw a line upwards at that corner, and I'm going to thicken that line. Slightly to the right, I'm going to draw another similar line, and on the right side of that, I'm going to draw the tip of that line at that corner. At the side of her mouth, I'm going to draw a line upwards from her jaw right there. Turn it diagonally to the side. Mirror that same set of line on the right side of her face. Now for her eyes, I'm gonna draw from the middle of her face off center to the left. Curved line upwards above the mouth. Turn it diagonally up to the left and to the outer corner of her eye. Semicircle turn downwards at the outer corner of her eye and turn it diagonally in to the middle of her face. Semicircle turn upwards at the inner corner of her eye. Inside of that shape, I'm gonna trace the outline along the lower point and the left side. And above that line, I'm going to draw her eye from the outer corner with a curved line across from the left to the right there. And from that same point, I'm going to draw the lower line of her eye with curved line diagonally downwards to the right, across to the right, turn it upwards at the inner corner of her eye. I'm gonna thicken the outer corner of her eye on the top left corner. And at the outer corner of her eye, I'm gonna flare it outwards diagonally to the left and up, right there. Inside of her eye, I'm gonna draw an oval shape on the right corner and fill in that shape with black color. Above her eye at the inner corner, I'm gonna draw a triangular shape like that and fill that in with black color. I'm gonna mirror the whole eyebrow shape and the eye shape on the right side. Below her collar on the left side, I'm going to draw a line downwards for the middle of her vest, and on the left side of that, I'm going to draw a triangular shape along that line downwards like that. And at the lowest point, I'm going to draw the zipper with a small rectangular shape. And inside of that zipper, at the lower point, I'm going to draw a short line downwards right there. On the right side of the zipper, I'm going to draw the lower edge of her vest with a line across to the right. Turn it upwards with a curved line at the outer corner of the vest. On the left side of that ending point, I'm going to draw a U curved line across to the left. Turn it upwards and slightly to the right, across to the left, diagonal turn to the right, upwards to the left, turn it to the right, sharp turn to the left. On the right side of the sleeve, I'm going to draw her inner shirt with a diagonal line downwards to the right, curved line across diagonally to the left, sharp turn diagonally up to the left. At the outer corner of the inner shirt, I'm going to draw at the upper point an arch curved line across to the right, mirror that arch curved line at this lower point. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw her arm with curved line diagonally out to the right and downwards, turn it downwards on her elbow point. From the ending point on the left side of that line, curved line downwards at that corner, turn it out to the right with diagonal line, curved line downwards at that corner. For the top of her glove, I'm going to draw a curved line across at the ending point below, and another similar curved line below that. A line downwards on both ending points. Below that shape, on the right corner, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards, semicircle turn diagonally to the left, and turn it sideways to the left. On the left side of that, slightly above, diagonal line downwards to the left, turn it sideways to the left. Repeat that same shape again for the other fingers. And at the side of the finger, turn it upwards, sideways to the right, and at that ending point, a line upwards. For her thumb, on the left side of that, curved line upwards, turn it diagonally up to the right and to the side of her wrist. On each fingers and thumb, I'm going to draw a curved line across below her knuckle. And below her wrist, I'm going to draw a small rectangular shape at that point. And above her glove, on the left corner, diagonal line upwards to the right, turn it downwards to the right. On her elbow point, curve line across from the right to the left, semicircle turn back to the right and through her elbow. Now for her inner shirt, below her mask on the left, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards to the left, semicircle turn downwards, flare it out to the left, sideways to the right. Above that line, I'm going to draw an arch curve line in the middle point right there. And above that arch curve line, I'm going to draw a curve line across from the left corner to the right. Below the inner shirt, I'm going to draw her waist with curve line downwards on the left corner. And for the right waist, below the jacket on the right here. From the ending point below from the left, curve line across to the right for the top of her pants. Turn it downwards on both ending points at the side, and from the left corner, turn it diagonally down to the left, turn it downwards. Below that ending point, curve line across to the right there, and on the right corner, curve line upwards, turn it diagonally up to the right. Above that ending point, a line across to the right. For her left boots, at the side of her leg, at the lower point, I'm going to draw a short line out, turn it downwards. I'm going to do the same thing for the inner corner on the right, and curve line across from the ending point on the left all the way to the right. Below that, I'm going to continue the line of her boots downwards on the left corner, turn it diagonally out to the left, turn it downwards. Curve line across to the right, and turn it upwards at the inner corner of her boots right there. And inside her boots, at the upper corner, I'm going to draw a curve line across from the left corner to the right, turn it downwards on the right corner right there, and curve line across back to the left, similar to the upper curve line. Inside of that shape, on the right corner, I'm going to draw a circular shape right there. Above her boots, I'm going to draw a curve line across below her knee right there, and below that curve line, from the left corner, diagonal curve line across to the right. For her right leg, I'm going to draw from the middle point, curve line downwards and slightly to the right, flare it slightly out to the left and turn it downwards. For the outer line of that leg, curve line downwards to the right, flare it slightly out and turn it downwards. At the ending point below, I'm going to draw a long rectangular shape across, like that. Below that, I'm going to draw a short line downwards, both on the left corner and on the right corner. Below that, I'm going to draw another long rectangular shape across at that corner, and continue the line of her leg downwards on the left and on the right side. Curve line across for the base of her boots. Above her knee, I'm going to draw a curve line across at that corner, and two more curve line across at this upper corner. Now for the left side of her jacket, at the side of her waist, I'm going to draw a line outwards to the left, turn it upwards and slightly to the right, turn it diagonally out to the left and upwards, sideways to the right. Repeat that same set of line at the side of her jacket at this inner corner on the right, and in between those two lines, I'm going to draw some small rectangular shape at this lower point along the edge of the jacket. On the left side of the jacket, from the lower point, curve line out to the left and another similar line at this upper point. the ending point on the left, align downwards from the upper corner, sideways to the left, align back upwards on the left corner. From the left side of that shape, at the lower point, diagonal line up to the left, turn it upwards. Above that shape, I'm going to draw a curved line up. Turn it sideways to the left on both ending points at the upper corner and the lower corner. And at the ending point on the left, another similar curved line downwards, extend it slightly out at the upper corner and the lower corner, sideways to the left on both ending points. And at the ending point on the left right there, I'm going to draw an oval shape downwards. On the right side of that whole thing, I'm going to draw her finger at the upper corner with arch curved line to the right, turn it downwards, curved line across to the left, and arch curved line back to the left. Repeat that same shape again for the other fingers across to the right, and on the right side of that, curved line downwards. On the left side of that curved line at the lower point, I'm going to draw her thumb with an oval shape at that corner. And on the left side, I'm going to draw another curved line upwards, arch curved line to the left. Turn it sideways on both the upper corner to the right and at the lower corner. Above that shape, I'm going to draw a line across to the left from the side of her head. Turn it upwards, sideways to the left, turn it upwards, sideways to the right, and turn it upwards at that corner. On the left side of that, I'm going to draw a line outwards to the left, semicircle turn upwards, semicircle turn to the right, and turn it downwards at that corner. Turn it sideways to the right. On the right side of her head, I'm going to draw a curved line outwards to the right at this upper corner, curved line downwards. At that point, turn it back to the left with a curved line and to the side of her head. Inside of that shape, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards on the right corner right there, and another one on the left side of that, and diagonal line across to the left and downwards at that point. And finally, I'm gonna draw a thick line along the outer edges. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.